Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Today's creation is a divine creation. I am going to make Ganesh car hanging. So I am making this from a small heart mold that is 3 inch and the medium for craft is terracotta once again. As I am short of time because of intro and collab videos, and I strongly wanted to create Ganesha art, so I am choosing this medium. So I finally got the color that mixes very well in this Terra mix. I would again mention that this Terra mix is 3:1, that is 3 part powder and 1 part liquid. So let's watch the process, enjoy some music and learn about the festival as well. Today on 7th September 2024, our festival Ganesh Chaturthi begins. Every year this day falls on different days and dates. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on the 4th day of the Hindu calendar month of Bhadrapad, typically in August or September. So this year it starts from 7th September. This festival is celebrated for 10 days as it represents the birth of Lord Ganesh and his journey back to Mata Parvati. So typically it represents Ganesha's birthday. I will explain the long story in short, as when Mata Parvati, that is wife of Lord Shiva, was going to take bath in Kailash Parbat. Before going, she created a human statue out of turmeric paste and breathed life into him. When he came to life, she asked him to guard on the door while she went to take bath. Then Lord Shiva arrived and he was about to enter the Kailash Parbat, and the boy stopped him from entering. Upon being stopped, Lord Shiva got angry and still he insisted to enter Mount Kailash Parvat. But the boy stopped him again and again. In an angered moment, Lord Shiva beheaded him with his trishul, and his head flew in the air and fell somewhere very far. Then Mata Parvati came. Upon seeing the boy's lifeless body, she started crying and asked Lord Shiv to make him alive again. Lord Shiv and his devotees left to look for his head, but they could not find his head. On the way, they found a baby elephant's head, and they brought the head to Lord Shiv, and Lord Shiv attached this baby elephant's head to boy's body and breathed life into him. Afterwards, he was named as Ganapati, which means ruler or leaders of the Ganas of Shiva. Ganas means devotees of Shiva. And since then, Ganpati's birthday is celebrated on the 4th day of Bhadrapad month, that is in Hindu month. Lord Ganpati or Ganesha represents protection, blessings, good luck, and the triumph over adversity and obstacles. He is also called as Lord of the People. Now when the UV resin is cured, the piece is completely ready now. I will add the strings and pearls and all the attachments to make the car hanging. we Hindus always worship Lord Ganesh before starting any kind of new thing, be it business ventures, buying new homes. While giving exams, we write Om or Om Ganapate Nama on the first page in small, so that our works are done very well and completed on time without any obstacles. Okay, so knowledge part is done, and our car hanging is almost getting ready. So I am going to attach a small decorative thread also below this. Coloring the borders with gold. Now our car hanging is all ready to be hanged in the car. Now let's take a look at it. It looks superb, doesn't it? I hope you like the creation. If you do, please press that like button, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.